Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if Hey Siri is not working on an iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to settings. Here, you're going to scroll down and search for the option of Apple Intelligence and Siri. Scroll down and click on Talk to Siri and make sure Siri or Hey Siri is turned on. So if it is turned on and still not working, then you can simply click on off and then you're going to click on Siri or Hey Siri again, and you're going to tap setup Siri or relearn voice and follow the voice setup again. Then you're going to check your microphone by opening any of the applications, such as you can open Voice Memos and you can simply click on it and then click on microphone over here. So you can make sure iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data because Siri needs internet to work properly. If it still doesn't respond, then you can start your iPhone and update iOS by going to your settings and then go to general. And here you're going to click on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version. Finally, you're going to make sure that your low power is turned off because it can affect Siri features on some iPhones. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.